Ой.
Let's begin with this awesome video of Ukrainian border guards shooting down Russian drones during a thunderstorm. Russian Caspian Marines were crushed in the Zaporizhzhia direction. They say, 2 cannons, our Caspian Marines. Shells landed in the center, his cannon is completely torn, opened. Second is also completely burned. Then he shows the third and fourth. Surrender is the only option for the invaders to survive. There are a lot of bodies on the footage too, but we can't show you that. Ukrainians are continuing their deep strikes behind Russian lines. Here, powerful explosion in occupied Oleshki is caught on camera.
Ой. Вот это жесть.
Братья, что там?
Где? Прикинь.
Нормально? Все?
Я не знаю, их нет.
Вон они, вон они.
Based on observations of both sides, I can make following frontline assessment. South of Bakhmut, Ukrainian forces continue to push Russian forces further east. More of the eastern bank of the Seversky Donets Canal has been liberated, and Russian forces are facing now being threatened in both Klishchivka and Andriivka. Gherkin says Ukraine has a chance to break through the occupiers' defense in Zaporizhzhia due to a lack of equipped and trained reserves for Russia. He revealed this in an hour-long live stream.
Не раскрою, думаю, никакой военной тайны. Враг достаточно хорошо знает, к сожалению, обстановку и ситуацию в наших войсках. Но даже на второстепенных направлениях укомплектованность наших войск снова не превышает 70%. А там, где идут наиболее ожесточенные бои, она значительно ниже. Речь, конечно, пока не идет о том, что было в конце прошлого лета и в начале прошлой осени, когда 20% укомплектованность боевых подразделений считалась нормальным явлением. Но потери наши войска несут постоянно, а поток подкреплений, поток резервистов из тыла иссяк. А это означает, что если не будут приняты срочные меры, то враг имеет, к сожалению, шанс прогрызть нашу оборону в Запорожье. И его тогда будет крайне сложно остановить. И никакая линия Суровикина, которая пока находится в достаточно глубоком тылу, не остановит врага, если она не будет занята обученными, нормально вооруженными и опытными войсками. Если же эти войска погибнут в предполье, то останавливать врага будет некому. В этом и заключается сейчас основной вопрос. Сумеет враг за ближайшие 2-3 недели прогрызть нашу оборону, расходуя своих солдат, разменивая их на наших, или не сумеет и выдохнется раньше?
Aerial reconnaissance wings of the 3rd Assault Brigade tracked down a Russian T-80BV tank firing at Ukrainian positions, and artillery of the 26th Artillery Brigade destroys it. Russian telegram channels post this flyer that was put into mailboxes of the residents of temporarily occupied Enerhodar, the city closest to Zaporizhzhia nuclear plant. They are invited to move to the Russian Far East. The flyer's content writes, Ministry of the Russian Federation for the Development of the Far East and the Arctic. Far East and Arctic Development Corporation. Dear residents of Enerhodar, the Far East of Russia is waiting for you. Take part in the State Program of Development of the Far East. You can expect the opportunity to choose any of one of the regions of the Far East, receipt of a lift in the amount of 240,000 rubles, additional 120,000 for each family member, guaranteed employment, average salary of 55,000 rubles, preferential conditions for admission to universities for families of program participants, contact information, etc. So this can mean several things. Maybe Russians are clearing their own people before they cause a nuclear disaster in the plant, or they are simply moving people back to Russia because they know that they will not be able to hold the line much longer. One of the camps for Russian POWs in the west of Ukraine. Ukraine abides by international conventions of treating prisoners of war. They get good food, medical care, are able to receive mail and call home. Compare this to the state of Ukrainian defenders when they return from captivity.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.